I'm Richelle B. Cueto, PhD, major in English 2, SC24, Father Burgos, FW, Lebanon. I recite the DepEd vision. We dream of Filipino who passionately love their country and whose values and competencies enable them to realize their full potential and contribute meaningfully to building the nation. As a learner-centered public institution, the Department of Education continuously improves itself to better serve its stakeholder. DepEd mission: to protect and promote the right of every Filipino to quality, equitable, culture-based, and complete basic education where students learn in a child-friendly, gender-sensitive, safe, and motivating environment. Teacher facilitate learning and constantly nurture every learner. Administration and staff as a steward of the institution ensure an enabling and supportive environment for effective learning to happen. Family, community, and other stakeholders are actively engaged in shared responsibility to be developing life learners. The core values: maka-Diyos, makatao, makakalikasan, makabansa. Thank you.